think that's the Yale Orchestra warming up next door. And did you not think there's been like a change in attitude at work lately?
I wonder what Elise will come back with from the Tell Young meeting.
Talk of delegation comes now.
I just had a great meeting with all the teams. Everybody's so energetic, really pulling together. We're gonna get this stuff done.
You know, Archie and I were just having that conversation, just something along those lines.
I thought that was gas.
Gas. Not one of my favorite things. But I'll tell you what is. Rogers like his Rory's before ideals. Meetings that end so I get to my meals. People who share their ideas and their dreams. These are a few of my favorite things. Keeping momentum, our eyes on the prize. Watching the value of our share prices rise. Looking with hope to what each new day brings. These are a few of my favorite things. And when the cost rise, and when the fun dies, users drive me mad. I simply remember before principles and benefits so bad. So as I was saying, everybody's really living up to the V4 expectations now.
So is it agile and iterative?
No, it's all about loosely coupled and pragmatic.
Oh, I remember. Urgency.
Oh my gosh, you guys have it all mixed up. That was so last year. Let's start at the very beginning. A very good place to start. Agile iteration was V3. In V4 you begin with energy, simplicity for you and me. Our principles just happen to be not V3, we hope to see.
Let's see if we can make it easier.
Let's keep it simple, please. Keep your project small and light. See the customer is king. Treat them as they're always right. A, accountability. L, no cost for you and me. E, we keep our energy. And that all adds up to scale.
S, let's keep.
Keep it simple, please. Keep your project small and light. C, the customer is king. Treat them as they're always right. A, accountability. L, no cost for you and me. E, keep our energy.
Ah, but it won't solve the problem of team spirit.
Archie, what do you mean by that?
I know it sounds good on paper, but I'm not sure that the other teams get it.
You're right. We still have some work to do on this. How do you keep your people motivated? How do you keep the working day fun? And how do you get a little interaction and still get all your day's work done? Why don't you share a comment with your neighbors? It doesn't cost a lot to say hello. But how do you make them play or listen to what you say when they've got their headphones on? How do you keep your people motivated?
What you need's a jolly sing along. Okay, everybody, now it's your turn. Here we go.